Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to another video. So in today's video we're looking at how you can start making money online from absolutely anywhere in the world without any skills or experience, and this has come about because I've just done this post over in my Facebook group and I thought I'd do a video on this. So you can see this is, if I scroll up here, sorry, this is in my Facebook group and I did this post here 2 hours ago. And I just put, basically I was sat trying to get my daughter asleep and it had been going on for a long time, and then this email pinged, it literally dropped in my inbox, and I'd earned $1,000. And I thought, bloody brilliant. So I shared this in my Facebook group, and as you can see here, it's times like this I am forever grateful to have an online business which runs on autopilot. And it does, because I was nowhere near my laptop, I wasn't working, and literally I earned this amount of money. And you might be thinking, well, bloody hell, how on earth can you earn $1,000 by essentially doing nothing? Well, how this method all works is, if I come over here, I'll show you this. So we decide on a niche or a topic. Once we've decided on our niche or a topic, we then find products to promote, and more importantly, we focus on high ticket products, because you can see over here, this one product here earned me $1,000. So if we go back over here, so we've decided on our niche, we then find high ticket products to promote. The next part of this is we create content. Now look, your content can be a blog, it can be a website, it can be YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, Quora, Facebook. It can be absolutely on any of these different platforms. But once you've created the content, that we're then going to drive traffic to the product up here, which we decided to promote. So I hope that all makes sense. If it doesn't, then I apologise, but don't worry, because I'm going to break all of this down step by step for you. And we'll just go through all of this here, because honestly, believe me, this amount of money here, earning this amount of money in one day, a few years ago, I thought this was absolute nonsense, that you couldn't earn, $1,000 in a day from literally doing the work once and earning a passive income. I didn't think it was nonsense, because I used to see people earning it, but when I first got started, you're always trying and you're pushing and you just think, bloody hell, I'm never going to get to this amount of money. And then today it's just dropped into my account. And look, this isn't just a one-off. This happens, thankfully, on a number of occasions. So if I come over here, this is the process: niche or topic, product to promote, create content, drive traffic to the product. So let's go over here onto Google, and you can see on here I've just typed in high ticket affiliate programs. Now look at this, 10 high paying programs. So if I click on here, these are a number of different programs that you can go ahead, and basically affiliate programs are just products or services or softwares that you can promote and share, and you earn a commission for doing so. So if I scroll down here, look, going after the right affiliate programs means the difference between earning $1,000 a month or $10,000 a month. So if I come down here, let's just keep going down here. Sorry, let me get rid of that. Just show you some examples of these different products down here. This is a long article. Let's just keep coming down here. So look at this. ClickFunnels. You can earn $100 commission for promoting this one funnel away challenge. They've also then got funnel scripts, funnel hacker, .com secrets, expert secrets, and this program over here, ClickFunnels, and I'm sure it'll be the same for many more of these. Look at this, $200. All of these different programs here, they will have a front end product where people go in and purchase the products, and then normally what happens is they like that product or that service or that software, and then they will buy additional products within that funnel, and you can start to earn some pretty good commissions from sending people over to these different products. So what's this one here? Amazing selling machine. You can earn 40% commission. I mean, look at this. It's $997 a month for 6 months. So from promoting this one product here, you could potentially earn nearly $5,000 a year. And you see here where it says cookie duration. This basically means if you decided to go ahead and start promoting this product over here, whatever it is, this amazing selling machine, if you sent somebody over to this and they didn't buy, straight away the first time they saw that product, but they started getting emails from the company, and then say on day 56 or 57 they actually purchase this, well, because it's got a 90 days cookie duration, you'll still get paid for this. It's absolutely awesome, isn't it? So if you scroll further down, look, you can find so many of these high affiliate different platforms where you can earn commissions. I mean, look at this one here, Shopify, $29 a month, $79 or $300 a month. You earn a 20% recurring commission, and the cookie duration on this one is 30 days. Come down here, we've got big commerce, six-figure. I mean, look at this commission rate up to $8,000. Look at it, lifetime. It's just awesome, absolutely awesome. So if we go back over here to the slides, how do we do this? So we decide on a niche or a topic. Pretty simple. Whatever you're interested in, you can go and find a niche or a topic that you're interested in, and then start finding products that you want to promote within that niche. If you're not interested, or you don't have a bloody clue where you're going to start with this, just go onto Google, and in fact go over to Google and type in examples of high paying niches. Go and type that into Google. It'll give you some ideas. Some videos on here, but look what are the most profitable niches. 10 most profitable niches. Let's go into this one. Come into this. Weight loss, hosting, bodybuilding, finance, etc. I mean, to be honest, it's normally personal finance, weight loss, and relationships. That's normally another one that's pretty good. Male enhancement, survival, gambling. I wouldn't have thought it was a big niche, but pets, CBD is an up and coming niche. So yeah, so we go ahead, we decide on our niche or our topic. We then find products we want to promote. This is the easy part. These two steps here. This is the part, creating the content and driving traffic to the products, where most people fail. So let's talk about content. How can you create content for these products that you want to promote? Well, the first method is you could go and create a blog or a website. Now I have a blog over here, and I create content on here, and I put out articles. So I'll give you an example of this and just show you this so you can see. So you see on my blog over on the right hand side here, I've got a members area, but if I come down further on the page, look, this here, 100 days to become a super affiliate from scratch, and it's a free course. Guess what? This is ClickFunnels. This is a high paying affiliate network. So somebody goes into this and they go through this course for free, and this course here is absolutely awesome and it's free, so they get a lot of value from this. And at the end of the course, then they get pitched on sign up to ClickFunnels or going into a piece of software or a book or many other bits. This is a way that I earn an affiliate commission. This here is a free book. I give this book away for free on my blog, and then guess what? They then go into the funnel, and ClickFunnels on my behalf follows up with them and pitches them on additional products, and I earn an affiliate commission. If I come down here, this is creating viral videos. This is a piece of software. Again, I earn an affiliate commission from this. Now, blogging, if I'm being absolutely honest with you, I'm not a huge fan of this anymore. Well, I was never a fan of it because it takes a hell of a long time to, create content, do keyword research, actually type up the article that you want to do and other bits. So if we go into this one here, I'll show you this. Real ways to make money from home. I'll just show you an actual example of this. So if you scroll down here, you can see this article here. I'm linking out to a product over here on what's this? How to make money on Fiverr, investing with a twist. But you can see this can take a long time. I'm not going to lie to you and say just go and create a blog and you'll be up and running with this in a couple of days, because creating content and getting it to rank on Google and getting backlinks and social links, it can take a hell of a long time, but it can make you some pretty decent money. So you can create content in the form of blogs and websites. Another example is obviously it's YouTube. I mean, YouTube drives so much traffic over to my different affiliate products and networks. In fact, this over here, this $1,000 commission that I earned today, this will have come from YouTube without a doubt, because what will have happened is somebody will watch one of my videos on YouTube, they will have then gone into my email autoresponder, and then that just follows up on my behalf for me. It's really simple stuff. So you've got blogging, you've got YouTube, you can go ahead and create content on Facebook. And what do I mean by that? Well, I mean go and find relevant Facebook groups to your niche and then start sharing content in there. And what I mean by that is don't just start spamming your links in random groups. give value and have conversations with people and meaningful conversations where you actually want to help them and offer the products that you're promoting. But don't do that right from the beginning. You would do this a bit later on within the conversation. You can go onto Twitter, you can do Facebook pages, you can go onto Instagram, Pinterest, Quora. There's so many different ways that you can create the content. And once you've created the content, you then drive traffic to the product. And how do you drive traffic to the product from your content? Well, in terms of blogging, if I come down here, you can see I have links to products on here. So if anybody clicks this link here, it will take them over to this product here. If I scroll down the page here, look, link over to the product. In terms of on YouTube, you can put links in your description, and again, that will send people over to the platform. Same on Instagram, Facebook. Anyway, it's all really simple stuff. It genuinely is. So in terms of going ahead and creating content and this whole package, if you want to call it that, of this here, what we've looked at here, this deciding on a niche and a topic, products to promote, creating content and driving traffic, it really isn't that difficult. I think personally, from being in this make money online scene for a number of years now, I think where most people fail is, I think it's genuinely down to the effort, the time and effort that you put into this. Because look, earning this amount of money here in a day, it's absolutely awesome, and you'll be watching this video thinking, bloody hell, that's great, I'd love to be earning $1,000 a day. But this didn't happen overnight for me. It didn't, absolutely not. This blog over here, I've had this blog for 2 years, I think. No, actually, let's see, scroll down here, 2017. So this blog on here, I've been creating content and putting content out on here for well over 3 years. I genuinely can't stand blogging. My YouTube channel, I've been creating content on my YouTube channel for probably about 16, 17 months. And then I've got profiles on Facebook, I've got a Facebook group, I've got a Quora profile, a Pinterest profile, and many more. And when you're first getting started out, look, this can all be a little bit overwhelming, and some of what I'm talking to you about in this video, it may be going over your head a little bit. But look, what I recommend is, if you genuinely want to get started with making money online and creating a real proper online business, there's a link down below and it will take you over to a page where there'll be a guy called Dave speaking to you. What that will give you access to is this product over here, and it's called Legendary Marketer. And this here, it's $7. The price for the value is incredible. It's a 15-day business challenge. So it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It is not, pay $7, go through this and you'll start earning hundreds of $1,000s a day. It really isn't. This will walk you through how to basically go through what I've spoken to you about here, but in a hell of a lot more depth. You can see 15 days in total. At the end of every day, it's like this video here, look, it's 51 minutes. Once you go through this, and this is the #1 secret to building a high-ticket, high-profit business online, once you've gone through this, guess what? You've then got to go through a digital marketing assessment quiz to prove that, you've watched the video and also you've understood this. And, if you get stuck on this or you've got any comments or questions about any parts of this, you can go through the quiz and you'll get answers back on what you submit. You also get a business plan. So this is a call with an advisor, and you can go ahead and speak to them about any part of this video that made sense or you've got any questions about. And then there's also legendary wake-up calls where they bring on other affiliate marketers on the call, and they walk you through what's working, what's not working. But honestly, this 15-day business plan here, it is absolutely awesome. And the fact that it's $7 is just insane, because the content within here is really good. I mean, look at this. Let's build a business in 30 minutes, 43-minute video. That's day 3. If we go on to day 4, we are then looking at how to master the inner game of wealth. And look, there's so much content in here. And the fact it's $7 is just ridiculous. But I went through this course. When did I go through this course? Probably, I think the first time I went through this was 2018. And then I rejoined and signed up and went through all of this content again, because they made a lot of adjustments to this and added in new content. And it's just brilliant. And it walks through, like I say, it walks through creating a genuine online business which can ultimately help you to start earning these amounts of commissions here. But look, that's today's video. That's how you can make big money online. Do you need this legendary marketer and this 15-day business challenge to get started and make money online? No, you don't. But for $7, will it help you and give you a hell of a lot more in-depth and a vision and the steps that you need to get started with? 100%. So I'll leave a link to this down below for you. Feel free to go ahead and check this out. But overall, this is today's video. We decide on a niche or a topic. We find products to promote, and once we've found those products, we create content, and that content will then drive traffic over to the product for us. So if you've got any comments or questions, leave them down below. But thank you for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.